So now it's the morning of the fair. Gonna take it for a ride right now, just scanning everything. I gotta double check everything. Alright, switching over to this camera. We're about to head to the fair right now. My truck is still acting up. Gonna have to see if I can do it there. But I'm gonna go grab my helmet and head there now. Alright, so temps are good. Everything's looking alright. Just the only issue I'm having is with my tap shifter. Sounds good, but I don't know, I just can't get the RPMs high enough before it shifts. That's why the tap shifter would be real nice. But we'll see. We'll see if we can get it figured out. Got plenty of friends that might be able to help us. Somehow we made it. Got weights in here. Nick is over here. The vlogging has been slacking on this thing because I've been so busy. But
okay, it's not gonna get posted anyways.
Probably not.
It will, 6 months.
Yeah.
That's just
By that time, this thing, I don't know.
Months is fucking Christmas trees. You're gonna have.
Alright, so Dylan's truck is all ready. Nick's is all ready. So it looks like everyone's starting to line up. Got this thing somewhat ready to go. There's Dalton's truck. We're looking all right. Alright, so I'm backing up to the scales now. Gonna be weighing up. Still having a problem with my top shifter over here, but I think I'm gonna try doing like a four high first gear. See what it does. But we'll see. Wow, 306.
You did good.
Dylan said when he puts it in, when you put it in gear, it bumps twice when you put it in gear. There's something going on.
So a couple issues, but I think I got it figured out a little bit. We're gonna try this next class again, see how it does.
Connection is going on here. Like put something strong in there.
The fucked up part is it's not the whole thing.
I was gonna stop and start over, and I just
So a little progress update. My truck, I'm done today. I got some wiring issues I got to take care of. Look at some piping. To say it was a bad day, can't say that at all. So I'm all set for the day. Honestly, I really can't be mad about this truck. You know, given that my first time driving it was today. First time firing it up was yesterday. Really just no complaints at all. Like, I understand that there's some issues. Gonna work it out, and we're gonna come back swinging. So I'll take this as a win today. Honestly, just so many people to thank for getting this truck going. I'm gonna go watch the rest of the polls today. Nicholas is going, a bunch of other people, so I can get some really good videos. But we'll be back with this thing. Just gonna figure it out, dial it in. Honestly, I know today didn't go well, but that is so sick that now I got this truck running. It's got quite a mess going on over here, but we're gonna figure it out. This thing is gonna be sick.
still took the old girl took it out quite a ways though.
What's wrong? Oh. For a truck that sits in the dooryard. Oh, Jesus.
Oh wow.
Wheelbase. Boxes up.
All right, now the pickup trucks are starting to go. Here's Nick Rooter right here. All our buddies. They're gonna try and get this thing going before the rain comes. All right, we got the lineup.
Brethren, wait till we go in the parking lot. I'm getting an autograph right here.